Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is actually your host and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about WWE's next pay-per-view, that is Elimination Chamber. I'm going to talk about the surprises that we are going to witness on this chamber. Not only that, my official prediction of who is going to be the winner, who is going to be the loser, and what's going to happen on those matches. So let's not waste time, let's begin the video. Okay, so the first match that was earlier been official, that is Asuka and Lacey Evans for the Raw Women's Championship, but due to Lacey Evans' pregnancy news, this match might not be happening at Chamber. But if this match happens, there might be a replacement for Lacey Evans, which I believe will be Peyton Royce. But whatever happens, I think that Asuka will remain champion at the end of the Chamber. Okay, now the next match that's been made official on today's SmackDown, that is the Women's Tag Team Championship match between Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler versus Sasha Banks and Bianca Belair. So first of all, my thing is that there are many women who are available or who are more deserving to the title shot rather than this team, that is Sasha Banks and Bianca Belair. But to spice up their rivalry for the WrestleMania SmackDown Women's Championship match, WWE has put on this match. So the result is quite predictable and quite clear, because Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler will retain the championship, but the twist will be we will see a spark of the rivalry between Sasha Banks and Bianca Belair. We can also see that either of them may be turning heel. So let's see what happens, but at the end of the night, the Women's Tag Team Champion will be retained. Okay, now the next match, that is a triple threat match for the United States Championship between Bobby Lashley, Keith Lee and Matt Riddle. So those who watched this week's Raw, they noticed that Keith Lee was not there on this week's Raw. The reason is that due to some health checkup, due to some medical conditions, Keith Lee hasn't appeared on Raw. But there is also some inside news that Keith Lee might not be appearing on Chamber also. So if that happens, it will be a one-on-one match between Matt Riddle and Bobby Lashley. In that case, there is 100% guarantee that Bobby Lashley will retain the championship. But if Keith Lee appears and this turn out to be a triple threat match, then there is a big chance that Bobby Lashley might be dropping the title and we will see Keith Lee winning the United States Championship, because Bobby Lashley versus Brock Lesnar is also being rumored for WrestleMania. For that reason, Bobby Lashley might be dropping title at Chamber. So let's see what happens, but I think that if Keith Lee comes, then it will be an interesting one to see. Okay, now moving to the next match, that is the Elimination Chamber match for the SmackDown #1 contender for Roman Reigns Universal title. So the participants are Jey Uso, Sami Zayn, Baron Corbin, Kevin Owens, Daniel Bryan and Cesaro. So talking about the match, I will say the least superstar who have the least chance to win this Chamber match is none other than Sami Zayn. I don't believe that he will win this Chamber match, and the next superstar who has also a less chance of winning is Baron Corbin. So these are the two superstars whom I don't believe has the chance, as a 1% chance to win this Chamber match. But the other four superstars, that is Kevin Owens, Daniel Bryan, Cesaro and Jey Uso, has a big chance. But I still believe that WWE will not go for Jey Uso, because he's the cousin of Roman Reigns, and there will be no point of making him the win. So talking about Kevin Owens and Daniel Bryan, I think that there's a big chance that these two might be winning this Chamber match, because Kevin Owens has a very good heated rivalry with Roman Reigns on the past, and Daniel Bryan is looking forward to have a rivalry. But even if they win, I will not get disappointed, but I will be most entertained if Cesaro gets the chance to a one-on-one match for the first time in his career for the Universal title. And I think Roman Reigns versus Cesaro will be a hell of a match. Even if Cesaro loses, I think that I want Cesaro to win this year's Elimination Chamber match and to challenge Roman Reigns for a one-on-one match. So if Cesaro versus Roman Reigns happen, which I want that to be happen, there's a big possibility also that Edge might be getting involved, because on today's SmackDown we have seen Edge getting speared by Roman Reigns. So Edge never forget anything, and it's pretty clear right now that Edge versus Roman Reigns is a big match that's been coming up for WrestleMania 37. So Edge coming up and giving a disqualification win, maybe to Cesaro or maybe to Roman Reigns. So I think that WWE might take this Cesaro and Roman Reigns rivalry to Fastlane, which will be a very good thing. So overall, I want Roman Reigns versus Cesaro to be on the match. Even if Roman Reigns wins, I want Cesaro to see competing for a very long time. Now coming to the main event of the show, that is the WWE Championship on the line for the Elimination Chamber match. All former WWE Champion AJ Styles, Randy Orton, Jeff Hardy, Kofi Kingston, Sheamus and Drew McIntyre. So I think that Drew McIntyre's chamber match will be the most interesting one, and to be honest, I believe that Kofi Kingston and Jeff Hardy along with also AJ Styles has the least chance to win this year's chamber match for the Raw side, because I don't see that Jeff Hardy has got the momentum. We will not see Kofi Mania again, and AJ Styles will also be involving in something else. So the three superstars who's being left for the winning, that is Sheamus, Randy Orton and Drew McIntyre. So the first thing that I wanted to see is that Fiend getting interfered in this match and helps Randy Orton to get eliminated, because after a long time we will see Fiend versus Randy Orton for WrestleMania, and I think this rivalry should start up right now. And I think that Fiend, if appears on the chamber match, will be a very interesting thing. The thing is that how he will appear, where he will appear and how he will attack Randy Orton, and what will be his new look. So I'm really excited for Fiend to appear, and I want WWE to make that happen. So if Randy Orton get eliminated, then the last chance, that is none other than Sheamus and Drew McIntyre, the two former best friend, and that's a rumor match for WrestleMania also. So I think that for me the winner will be none other than WWE Champion Drew McIntyre, and if Drew McIntyre doesn't win, then it has a perfect chance for Sheamus to win back the WWE Championship. So let's see what happens, but for me, I think my prediction will be Drew McIntyre to retain the championship and to go on to WrestleMania to face Sheamus for the WWE Champion finally. So what are your predictions? Please tell me, guys. Personally, I'm really excited for Elimination Chamber. WrestleMania is nearby, so I'm pretty damn excited. So this is my prediction video. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.